Welcome to the PASRR login process training. For PASRR acronyms, definitions, and contact information, please watch the training videos for those subjects. If you're new to PASRR, please check out our additional training materials on our PASRR webpage. So to log in, I'm going to go to portal.dhcs.ca.gov. This is our PASRR portal. You should see the DHCS application portal page with the login button. If you like to bookmark this page for quick access, this is the page you should bookmark or save to make sure you're logging into the correct portal. Now I'll select Log In. And next, I'll enter that email address and click Next. Then I'll type in the password. If you forget your password, you can reset it yourself by clicking the Forget Your Password link. Or if you are unable to click on that link, please contact your facility's IT team for help because we don't have the ability to reset your password. And now I'll click Next. When it asks Stay signed in, please choose No, especially if you're sharing your computer with other users at the facility. Before you get to this page, you will see the multi-factor authentication or MFA screen. After entering your email and password, it will ask you to do a two-step verification. Depending on how you have it set up, that could be a phone call to your cell phone, to the landline, a text message, or the Microsoft Authenticator app. We recommend using either a work or personal cell phone number and choosing the text message option to get your code. It's usually the quickest and easiest way. Since I'm working with the DHCS network, it's not going to ask me for MFA today, so I'm able to log in directly to this page. If you need to update your cell phone number for MFA and still have access to your old phone number, you can update it yourself from this page. Only thing you need to do is click on your initials or profile picture in the top right-hand corner. Select View Account. This will take a few seconds to load. And then under the Security Info tab, choose Update Info. And then you continue from there to change your MFA setup. If by any chance you're having trouble with the MFA, or if you no longer have access to the old phone number, you can reach out to our IT service desk and request an MFA reset. Once you're logged in, the system will take you to this My Apps dashboard. Here you should see the PASRR production app, which isn't available to us here, but that is the one you'll click on to enter the PASRR system. Here on this screen, you'll see the DHCS testing apps. These are what we use for system testing. They work just like the real PASRR production system, but they do not have any real data, so there's no real PHI. Now, if you log in and you don't see the PASRR production app, it probably just means you're in the wrong organization setting, so you'll need to change your organization setting. And to do so, only thing you need to do is click on your initials at the top right-hand corner. Select Switch Organization. Then under Other Organizations you belong to, choose California Department of Healthcare Services, and it will take you into our Azure environment where you'll see the PASRR production app. But for today's demo, I'll be using the PASRR staging environment. This will be the first screen you see after logging in if you have access to more than one facility. All the facilities will be displayed up here. You'll need to select the facility you're working under. Keep in mind, you can only access one facility at a time because each facility is completely separated from the other. So one facility cannot see another facility's cases. So I'm going to select the facility. And for those who only have access to one facility, this will be the first screen you see, which is our PASRR banner. Always read the banner when you log in because this is where we post any new or important information like upcoming system updates or scheduled system maintenance. So if there's anything we think you should know, it will be posted on the banner. Since I'm in the staging environment, this banner doesn't have any real information on it. So the only thing you need to do is click OK. This is how you use the login portal. Thank you for watching.